Hi, this is a detailed technical video of the mounting system we used for an Easy-Reach in a custom 2019 Mercedes Sprinter. So most of the Easy-Reach stuff is the same as what it would be on other ones. This is a 7.5, so it slides in, rotates, slides out, and then goes down. This Easy-Reach is able to go almost all the way to the ground. Has a very nice transfer height, almost whatever you need. Alright, so to talk about how we mounted this, we custom made a plate that mounts into the factory area where the seat's bolted in. And then this plate, we mounted the control box onto it, and we mounted the entire unit, which is bolted down in several different spots. You can see the plate comes back to here, up there, kind of over here, and shaped to right there. So, and then while I've got this out, I'll show you a couple other things here. There's a couple emergency releases. One here. We got one here for the rotate. That one's for the latch. There's another one up here for the up and down motor. Now that control box, the nice part with it being mounted there, it's tucked away under the seat. You don't have to worry about anyone stepping on it or tripping on it or anything of the sort like that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.